whenever you're ready.
Hi, I'm Beth Garska. I'm with the English Skills Learning Center as a volunteer and outreach coordinator. We are a small nonprofit agency here in Salt Lake City that's been around here 24 years, and what we do is we look to recruit volunteers, and you don't have to have another language ability or teaching experience, because what we'll do is have you come on in, take our training, which is 12 hours long, to learn about us as an agency, our student profiles, and then different techniques and methods to teach our students. Our students are adult newcomers, immigrants, refugees, asylees who live here in the greater Salt Lake area, and we kind of do a professional matchmaking between you and the students to be able to suit when you're able to meet to have classes and at a convenient location for both parties. And we ask our volunteers to make a 100-hour minimum commitment, and that breaks down to about 6 months, about 3 to 5 hours of volunteering time every week. Beyond that, we ask for a background check that we will go ahead and process, but we do ask for our volunteers to pay for that. So please be aware of that if you want to move forward with our agency. But in a nutshell, different programs that we offer are one-on-one English classes, small group English classes, citizenship preparation classes, empowering parents classes where we go into the schools and teach the parents where their children attend, so they know how to read a report card, they know how to call in sick, they know how to be able to interact with that teacher. We have workplace literacy classes where we have professional teachers going in and teaching, but being supplemented with instruction by volunteers. And our programs are always looking for volunteers. There's an ever-ending need for volunteers, and we would love for you to come on in and learn more about how you can get involved today.